Hi, I'm happy to welcome you all to today's English class. And in today's class, we are going to concentrate on one of the important grammar topics. The grammar topic we are going to discuss today is adjectives. You all know well about adjectives. An adjective is a word which is used to describe a noun. In other words, we can call adjectives as describing words. It modifies the noun. It describes the noun. And in today's class, we are going to see comparative form of adjectives and superlative form of adjectives. Comparative form. The first one we are going to see is comparative form of adjectives. The word itself gives the meaning compare. Yes, this form of adjective is used to compare two objects. The definition here is comparative form of adjectives are used to compare differences between the two objects, two nouns, in terms of a common quality. In terms of a common quality based on the size or the weight of the object or the shape of the object, we are going to compare. That's the purpose of comparative form of adjectives. And comparative form of adjectives is just about adding an adjective with er. Tall plus er equals taller. Short plus er equals shorter. But some adjectives, it starts with more. For example, expensive, more expensive. Intelligent, more intelligent. Yes, for adjectives with more than sometimes 2 or 3 syllables or more than that, we have to use more instead of adding er. And another one common rule here is we have to use than next to and comparative adjective. We are going to compare two objects of having the same quality. It is to compare differences between two objects in terms of a common quality. Yes, it can be higher or lower. It's up to our wish. Let us see some examples here. Ram is taller than Raghu. Here we have compared two nouns, Ram and Raghu. Both are nouns and we used taller, comparative form of adjective, taller. Yes, as per the rule, it followed by the word than. Ram is taller than Raghu. And the next one, Amit is more intelligent than Varun. Here I haven't added er to the intelligent because intelligent is a word which has 4 syllables, more than 3 syllables. Intelligent, intelligent. For the words having more than 3 or 4 syllables, we have to use more instead of adding er. So that's why we have added more and intelligent followed by the word than. We have two nouns, Varun and Amit. The same quality is compared in both of the sentences. The first one, the quality here is tall. And in the second sentence, we have compared the same quality, intelligent. And that is how we have to add and comparative adjective to the sentence. And the next one we have in our hand is superlative form of adjectives. Superlative, super, to the greatest or to the lowest. Yes, we are going to use superlative form of adjectives to compare one object with many. The definition here is superlative form of adjectives are used to describe an object which is at the upper, the topmost or lower to the bottom limit of a quality. The uppermost quality or the bottom quality, the lowermost quality. And for superlative adjectives, we have to use the before the superlative adjective. To form a superlative adjective, we are just going to add est. We are just going to add est at the end of the adjective to make it as a superlative form. And for the words which has more than 3 syllables, we are just going to add most. Most before the adjective. And the most intelligent, the most expensive, the most enthusiastic. Yes, that's all. It's very simple. And here you know it very well. Superlative form of adjectives compare one object with many of a same quality. It compares one object with all others in the group and it possesses the greatest or smallest degree compared to the others in the group. Yes, we are going to use one noun compared to all others. The first example we have here is my house is the largest one in our neighborhood. Neighborhood has more houses and then my house is the largest one. We have added est to the word large, large plus est, largest, the largest. As superlative form of degree, we compared one noun with many in the group. My house is the largest one in the neighborhood. And the second sentence here, Manan is the most intelligent boy in school. The noun here is Manan is the most intelligent. Intelligent is a word with 4 syllables. I already told you. Intelligent. 4 syllables. So we are going to add most before the word intelligent. So the most intelligent boy in school. We compare Manan with all other boys in school. And the next one, the last example. This is the least expensive sweater in the store. This is the least expensive sweater in the store. Here the word expensive is the adjective and it has expensive, 3 syllables. So we have added the smaller degree here. I told you this superlative form of adjective possesses the greater degree or smaller degree when compared to others. Here we have used the smaller degree. For that we use least. The least. Okay, that's all. Now you know how to make a comparative form of adjective as well as the superlative form of adjectives. Comparative form, we are just going to add er to the end, and for superlative form, we are going to add est to the end. But for some adjectives, we cannot add er and not est. Those adjectives are called as irregular comparatives and superlatives. Some of the irregular comparatives and superlatives I have listed here. Good. The comparative form of good is better and superlative form is best. Good, better, best. Bad, adjective, positive form, and the comparative form of bad is worse. Bad, worse. Worst is the superlative form of adjective. And then little, little, less, least, much, more, most. These are some of the examples of irregular comparatives and superlatives. Now you know it very well how to form a comparative form of adjectives and superlative form of adjectives. I hope you have all understood it really well. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day ahead.